are firing back.
What is it?
Up there. Maybe half a mile away. Nothing to do with us.
Trouble? And it's got nothing to do with us?
Well, don't ask for trouble. Forget the charges.
Joseph, we've been through this before. Now listen, we have extra charges, right? Right? A supply train comes through here daily, right? Huh? Right? Now, if we put the two together, we will exit from here with a bang. Huh? Good.
You are mad.
Impetuous. Irrational. Even lovable. But not mad. Not mad.
Nach rechts! Nach rechts! Da ist er! Da ist er!
Keep blasting away. Change the clip.
But I can't.
Yes, of course you can. Keep them pinned down. Don't let them spread out.
Links dort oben!
What are you doing?
I told you to keep firing, didn't I? Please.
Ja, gehen wir schnell dran.
There are 4 Kurds down there now this time, Lucy. Now push. Lucy, push. Push, Lucy. Push.
Feuer!
Push, Lucy. Push.